You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of Steph and Aisha Curry, newborn baby name, their fourth child. Let's go through first name and second name. First name is of Latin origin. There are different ways of pronouncing it in English. It means rejoice. I suspect they're going to be pronouncing it as Caius, but it can also be pronounced as Caius. So let's see how they pronounce it when they reveal it. I would say in the US it's most commonly said as Caius, US or Canada. Now the second word is often confused with chai tea, which is a type of tea from India, but this is also a Hebrew name from a Hebrew word meaning life, and the Hebrew word is pronounced as chai. Now the English pronunciation of this Hebrew word meaning life is chai, so that would be Caius Chai Curry. Caius Chai Curry. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.